The Vienna State Opera is one of the most famous opera houses in the world. It is in Vienna, the capital city of Austria. Many people visit it every year. This opera house is very important for music, art, and culture. When was the Vienna State Opera built? The Vienna State Opera was built between 1861 and 1869. This was a long time ago. Two architects worked on the design. Their names were August Sicard von Sickardsburg and Eduard van der Nul. These men planned the building carefully. They wanted it to be beautiful and strong. The opera house is very big. It is built in the Neo-Renaissance style. This style was popular in the 19th century. The outside of the building has many decorations. It has statues, columns, and arches. The roof is also special. It has green tiles that shine in the sun. The Vienna State Opera was designed by two architects. Their names were August Sicard von Sickardsburg and Eduard van der Nul. Sickardsburg made the plans for the building. Van der Nul worked on the decorations. Sadly, both architects died before the opera was finished. Eduard van der Nul was very upset because people did not like the building. He took his own life in 1868. A few months later, August Sicard von Sickardsburg became sick and died. The opera opened on May 25, 1869. The first performance was Don Giovanni by Mozart. This made the opera's opening very emotional and special. When did the Vienna State Opera open? The Vienna State Opera opened on May 25, 1869. The first opera performed there was Don Giovanni by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Mozart is a very famous composer from Austria. His music is loved all over the world. What is inside the Vienna State Opera House? The inside of the Vienna State Opera is very elegant. There are many special features. The main hall is big and can hold 1,009 people. The stage is very large, too. It is one of the largest stages in Europe. The opera house also has beautiful decorations. There are marble stairs, golden walls, and paintings on the ceiling. The chandeliers are very big and bright. These details make the opera house very special. What happened during World War II? In 1945, during World War II, the Vienna State Opera was damaged. A bomb hit the building and caused a fire. Many parts of the opera house were destroyed. This was a very sad time for the people of Vienna. After the war, the opera house was rebuilt. The work took 10 years to finish. On November 5, 1955, the opera reopened. The first performance in the rebuilt opera house was Fidelio by Ludwig van Beethoven. This was a very special moment for Vienna. What happens in the Vienna State Opera today? Today, the Vienna State Opera is very busy. It has over 350 performances every year. These include operas, ballets, concerts, and concerts. Many talented singers, musicians, and dancers perform here. One of the most famous events is the Vienna Opera Ball. This is a big party. People wear beautiful clothes and dance all night. It is a very special tradition in Austria. The Vienna State Opera is not just for locals. Many tourists visit it every year. They come from all over the world. Visitors can take a tour of the building. They can see the main hall, the stage, and the decorations. Some people also buy tickets to watch a performance. The Vienna State Opera is not only for adults. It also has programs for children. These programs teach children about music and art. Families enjoy these shows together. Why is the Vienna State Opera House important? The Vienna State Opera is more than just a building. It is a symbol of Vienna's rich history and culture. It is a place where people can enjoy great art. Fun facts about the Vienna State Opera. The Opera House has over 1,000 rooms. It is home to the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra, one of the best orchestras in the world. The Vienna Opera Ball has been held every year since 1930. Some tickets for the opera are very cheap. People can stand and watch a show for only a few euros. The building's reconstruction after the war cost millions of Austrian skillings. Conclusion: the Vienna State Opera is a very special place. It has a long history and a bright future. People from all over the world come to see its beauty and hear its music. If you visit Vienna, you should visit the Vienna State Opera. It will be an experience you will never forget. Thank you for watching. I would be glad if you like it.